Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I'm just going to be showing you guys how to do a 3-strand twist out. This is my first time doing a 3-strand twist out, but y'all, and honestly, if you'll hear noise in the background, if you have been following me on YouTube, you already know that my family is always around. So that's them in the background if you hear that. But look at these 3-strand twists, honey. These things are juicy. They are beautiful. I love it so much. I'm about to start doing these all the time. So let's get right on into it. I didn't do this side purposefully, of course, because I wanted to show you guys. So I usually part my hair either down the middle or the sides. So just figure out which way you want your part to be at the front. And so since I wanted it on this side, I want to switch it up. I usually have it on this side, but I want it on this side. So I did on this side, and then I always just go straight down the middle from the part. I don't do it completely straight because once I do take my hair out, I just pick it on out. So I did the part, and then I do like a part down this side, part down this side, and then I'm going to make another part down this side. The products I'm going to be using are my tried and true leave-in conditioner from Shea Moisture, the natural pudding souffle from the Coconut Shea line at Eden Body Works, and the peppermint tree natural hair oil from them. Y'all know I love that stuff, as well as the curl defining cream from Eden Body Works. I'm doing the liquid oil cream method. I do the souffle after the oil. The first thing I do is wet my hair. Y'all know I love this continuous spray bottle, and I just deep condition. I just deep condition with the Miel Rosemary Mint strengthening hair mask. I liked it. It was my first time using it, and I liked it. Wasn't too bad. Would I buy it again though? I don't know. It was a good price, you know, for the amount of product, but yes, it's done. Of course it is. Your laptop is done updating.
Finally!
You have been in every single video. It's either you or dad popping in to say hello. My word. Huh?
Which in the comment?
Can you stop? Please. So my right hand will be the one that's always going to twist the hair. So
Me, I'm the right hand.
can you stop?
Okay.
Oh Lord, everybody. Hi everyone. Do you want to say hey to the camera? Since I'm recording, Auntie B just said hey. You want to come say hello?
This cutie over here.
Yes, y'all already know.
Hello.
Jay, we made a video together. He got so big. Give me a kiss. That did not connect with my cheek. You have your 3 parts, and like I said, your right hand is going to be the one that's going to be twisting the hair over each time. So let's go ahead. We twist it over. I catch it with my pinky on my left hand, and then I just kind of adjust my hands to keep the 3 parts. Adjust, over, and adjust, over, and adjust, over, and then I kind of brush through my hair just to make sure it's all nice and sleek, and adjust it. This is my left, this is my right, over, and adjust, over, and adjust. And as I go quicker, I do just grab it with my left hand. Like I use all 3 of these fingers left to grab with my left hand. That's 3, right? It's like just these 2 because of course I have these other 2, right? And then I have these 2 fingers, and I just continue to grab the hair and adjust. Grab the hair, adjust. And it's super simple, and once you get faster with it, you'll kind of adopt your own technique of doing it so that you do it quickly. But yes, like I said, this is my right, twist it over and adjust, twist it over and adjust. Once it gets to the end, I just go ahead, twist the ends with my finger. Look at that. I'm definitely about to do these 3-strand twists. Instead, I'm making sure to hold all 3 parts with my fingers right? 1, 2, 3. Flip it over, adjust. Flip it over, adjust. Flip it over, adjust. With this style, I feel like there's different ways you could do it. So when you bring this over, sometimes it twirls my hand like this. And so these two that are still in my left hand tend to kind of twist the hair. Now, you could either do it that way, or you bring this one over and then you keep this one that was already in the middle, and then you just move it over. So I feel like either way, it'll be fine because it's a twist. I feel like it should still be okay, because that's what I've been doing, is kind of just allowing my hands to twist the other two pieces of hair that were already in my hair, like you could see. So bring this over, adjust, bring this over, these two kind of flip, bring this over, they flipped again, you see. And I just allow it to do that versus doing flip it over and then just adjusting it that way. I hope that makes sense. But I mean, y'all could see it. I'm taking this one again that was already in the middle. Now I'm taking this piece in the middle, this piece in the middle, versus twisting and taking the other piece. I saw it both ways on YouTube. I saw people just going on ahead and keeping the placement very precise, and then I saw some people using their left hand and kind of twisting the other two that they had in their hand. I really hope I'm not being confusing. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. If you have any specific questions on what I just did, please leave them down in the comments and I'll try my best to explain it through my words and the video. But yes, leave them down below. Any questions, comments, concerns. Remember to subscribe, all that good stuff. Like, post notification, blah, blah, blah. And with all that being said, stay blessed and stay sweet.